Before we get into it, subscribe for more quick tech fixes that save you time and money. If your Fire TV Stick remote is not working, there's a good chance you can fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes for pairing problems, battery issues, and remote connection failures. Try these steps before spending money on a new remote. Step 1. Remove the batteries from the Fire TV remote. Take them out fully and wait a few seconds. Step 2. Unplug the Fire TV Stick from power. Disconnect the Fire Stick from the power source for around 30 seconds. Step 3. Put in fresh batteries. Old or weak batteries can cause pairing problems and unresponsive buttons. Step 4. Plug the Fire TV Stick back in. Wait until the device fully boots up to the home screen. Step 5. Hold the home button on the remote. Press and hold the home button for about 10 seconds to trigger pairing. Step 6. Watch for a pairing confirmation. If the remote connects, you should see it respond or pair on screen. Step 7. Reset the remote if needed. On many Fire TV remotes, you can reset by using a button combination, depending on the model. If needed, check your exact remote version. Step 8. Reduce nearby interference. Move other Bluetooth devices away and make sure the Fire Stick is not hidden behind heavy interference. If the remote still does not work after trying these steps, the remote may need replacement, or the Fire TV device may need a deeper reset. Subscribe for more Fire TV, streaming, and remote troubleshooting videos.